Our second topic. Kasama to sa exam. Okay. Cordillos, laging walang camera. We have perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Encounter nyo na ba to?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Yes,
Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Dati?
Hindi ko kasi alam.
So remember, a polygon, okay, is a closed figure and made up of 3 or more line segments, diba? So example, we have the triangle, the square, and the pentagon. Okay, so this polygon are made up of different line segments. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, ito namang quadrilateral, meron tayong 4. So triangle, we have 3. Okay, so ito yung susukatin natin ngayon, yung perimeter. Okay, so a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles is a triangle. Okay, pero ang triangle, pwedeng iba-ibang itsura. Okay, another one is a rectangle. Okay, a polygon with having 4 sides and 2 opposite sides are parallel. Okay, just like this. Okay, we are just reviewing. While a square is a polygon having 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. Okay, ano ibig sabihin ng congruent sides?
Equal.
Equal, okay? So, ayan, pare-pareho yung mga sides niya. So, if this one is 4 cm,
4 cm din yung iba.
ilang cm kaya yung ibang sides niya?
4 cm din.
4 cm.
4 cm din. Okay? Now, a perimeter, okay, is the sum of the lengths of the sides of a figure. Okay? Ito yung total distance around. Okay? A polygon. Example, we have here the triangle. So if we are going to compute the perimeter of a triangle, we need to add all its sides. Kahit ano pa yung side na yan. For example, this one is 5 centimeters. This one is 4.5 centimeters. And this one is 5 centimeters as well. O, ilan yan? Ilan lahat ng perimeter?
14.5 centimeters.
Tama, magiging 14.5 centimeters. Do you understand? Ha? So you just need to add up. Para lang din yan, imagine niyo, for example, ito ikaw, at tatakbuhin mo itong triangular part na to. Okay, kunyari parke to. Tatakbuhin mo to. Ilan kayang meters ang matatakbo mo hanggang sa start? So, gawin nating meters yan. So, ang matatakbo mo ay 14 meters. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, how about this example? What if it's 5, 5, and 5? What is our perimeter now?
15.
15.
Oh,
15.
15. So what do you do? You just add all of the sides of the triangle. Okay? Any more questions? Let's go to the next one. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides have lengths of 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 7 centimeters.
Ma'am, disabled po yung chat.
Huh? Okay, so what are we going to do? We just need to add all of the sides of a triangle. Remember, kapag ang triangle, kailangan may tatlo. Pag dalawa lang yan, hindi yan triangle. Okay? You understand? So what is the perimeter of this triangle?
25.
25.
25 cm. Do you understand?
Yes.
Dali ba? Dali ba ang pagsukat ng perimeter?
Opo.
Okay, sige nga, ito. Find the perimeter of a square with each side measuring 25 cm.
7.
What is a square again?
100.
4 sides and 4 angles.
Okay, so 4 congruent sides.
100.
Okay, so what would be the
75?
perimeter? Huh?
100 centimeters.
100.
Okay,
Ah,
100.
iniisip ko ma'am triangle.
Hindi tinitingnan. Ito ay square. So pag sinabi mong square at ang isa ay 25 centimeters, what are the sides of the others?
25
25.
Lahat yan, 25 yan. Square nga eh. Okay, so 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 or 25 times 4, that is 100 centimeters. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, hindi 75 ha.
Kala ko kasi ng triangle.
Okay, how about this one? A rectangle is 10 meters long and 5 meters wide. Find its perimeter.
30.
30. 30 mo.
30 po.
Okay, how did you know? 10 meters long, saan yun?
Yun sa mahaba po.
Basta mahaba.
Okay, yan, length. This one, 5 meters. This one is the width. Okay, so, paano nyo nalaman na 30? Ito, ano nito?
10.
10.
Tama, 10 meters din. Kasi this one is the opposite side of this one. Eh, di ba sabi natin yung mga opposite sides nila congruent din? Kaya ito ay 5 meters din. So you just need to add this all up. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Yan, i-add nyo lang. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so 2 times the length is 20. 2 times the width is 10. So 20 plus 10, you have 30. Or just add all them up. Okay? Add all of this measurement. Yun lang yun. Any more questions? May question ba kayo sa rectangle?
No.
Wala po.
Wala? Okay, let's have this one. Angela jogged in a park that is triangular in shape. The length of the sides of the park are 500 meters, 200 meters, and 250 meters. She jogged around the park 3 times. What is the total distance of the path she has taken?
950 meters.
2,850 meters.
Okay, sino kaya ang mga tumama?
2,850 meters.
Okay, so ano ulit yung itsura daw ng park?
Triangular.
Angular.
Triangular. Okay, ano daw yung mga sukat? You have 500 meters,
200.
200,
9.
at saka 250 meters. Okay, so add this all up to get the perimeter.
950.
950
150.
meters. But look at the problem. She jogged around the park 3 times.
2,800.
Okay, so what are you going to do? You need to
Times
multiply
3.
3.
2,850.
Kasi pagpa-plus lang po sila. Tapos,
Yes, ipagpa-plus lang.
ganun pala yun.
1,850.
Pag may mga maganyan na, ilalagay mo, ipagpa-plus mo na, tapos ita-times. Pag may mga ganyan kami nakita.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
Okay, do you understand?
4 times 2 times 4, 7. Opo.
Okay, let's try this one. Cyrus has sticky notes in the shape of a square. Each side of the paper is 10 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the paper.
40 centimeters.
40.
40
40
centimeters.
centimeters.
How did you know?
Ano? Kasi square.
Kasi
Square
square
Tama. Ang square ay
congruent side.
gagaling naman mag-analyze. So, 10 times 4. So, you have 40 centimeters.
Times 4.
Okay? How about this one? Teka lang, papa-enable ko lang yung chat ko, ha? Sorry, din. Okay? Please check kung okay na.
This tablet.
Check nga. Wala pa din?
Wala pa pa.
Okay.
Wala pa, ma'am.
Nothing.
Okay, medyo busy pa siguro. Okay, so let us try to analyze this one. Okay, Hannah needs to cover the top of her. This one is her. Bakit his nalagay ko dyan? Her jewelry box with a cloth. The box is 10 inches long and 6 inches wide. Calculate the perimeter of the cloth that she needs to cover the top of the rectangular jewelry box exactly. So, ilan kaya yung magiging perimeter ng top ng jewelry box niya?
32 inches.
32.
Okay, how did you know that it's 32? Okay na daw yung chat nyo.
Okay na po.
Okay.
Ma'am, 10 sa mahaba.
This one.
10 yung sa mahaba.
Sorry.
6.
Yung width ay 6.
6.
Okay.
Opposite side.
Tama. So 2 times the length, okay, plus 2 times the width. Okay, 2 times the length is ilan? 20.
Ano? 20.
2 times the
20.
width, we have
12
12. That's why you got 32
inches.
inches. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ang dali, ano?
Kailangan na mag-hoot.
Okay, how about this one? Ray's farm, which is triangular in shape, needs a fence. He used 90 meters of the fencing material to cover all the surroundings of the farm. If one of the side of the farm is 25 meters, the other is 35 meters. Find the length of the third side of the farm. Okay, so kanina, pinapahanap ko sa inyo yung perimeter. Ngayon, binigay ko na yung perimeter. Ang hinahanap natin, missing side.
35 meters?
30 meters.
Ha? Okay,
30
let's try to
meters.
analyze it.
Ma'am, di mo ma'am ito chat?
Okay.
Kaya mo lang.
Ang total daw na perimeter ng farm ni Rain ay 90 meters. Okay? Yung isang side daw ay 25 meters. Yung pangalawa ay 35. So what are you going to do to get the missing side?
25 plus 35 minus 90.
90.
Okay, so we're
That's why
going to
that's
put 90 here And then,
Subtract
5 plus
Subtract
35
5.
plus
Subtract 9.
x. Diba?
Yes.
So, lahat ito, transfer muna natin itong mga given na numbers na yan. 25 plus 35.
60.
60.
Ha? 60. 60 plus x.
Wala.
Okay. Ngayon, we need to isolate x. Tanggalin natin si 60 dito. Paano natin tatanggalin?
Five.
Paano natin tatanggalin?
Minus.
Tama, sa subtract
Subtract.
natin. So, 60
30.
minus 60 plus x. Okay? And then dito din, dapat subtract din natin si 60. Okay? So, ito cancel na. Natira na lang dyan si x. 90 minus 60,
30. 30.
30. So, 30
Tama.
yung isang side ng farm ni Rin. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay? May question pa ba kayo?
Na. Mamang tagal na hindi nagkakahot.
Aba,
Kaya nga, ma'am.
pa ng kahot? O sige, mamaya titingnan natin if we have time. Pero nagmamadali kasi tayo.
Pero wag naman.
Tayong
Hello.
i-discuss. Okay? How about this one? A kindergarten teacher wants to put a rubber on the edges of the whiteboard that is in the shape of a square. If we use a total of 4 meters of rubber, what is the length of each side of the whiteboard?
Miss Interchat.
Yes, chat it to me. Make sure you have the correct unit of measurement.
Ay, wait, miss, nagkamali.
Hindi ina-analyze ang problem. Tumama, Mallorca, Navarro, Cruzada, Bonilla, Rubite, Punzalan. Okay? So, sabi daw dito, ano yung given? 4 meters of rubber, a total. So, that is the perimeter, di ba? 4 meters. Ngayon, ang tinatanong natin ay length ng whiteboard niya. And the whiteboard has 4 congruent sides. Okay, so what are you going to do? 4 meters divided by 4.
4.
Okay, ilan?
1.
1.
So you have 1 meter.
What?
You understand? 1 meter for each side. O, naintindihan ba kung ba't naging 1 meter?
Tinimes ko.
Oo, ano, miss.
Ay, nako.
8 yung
Nagets ko na.
Okay, let's have another one. We already have a test here. Okay, compute for the perimeter of the following figures. Sige, you need to ilagay sa text response ko. Okay, gagawa lang ako. Wait lang.
Miss, pwede po picture na lang isulat sa notebook.
Oo, sige. Compute on your notebook first and then kuhanan nyo ng picture or ano gusto nyo? Kuhanan yung picture or text response?
Text response. Text response.
Text response? Okay, sige. Okay, andyan na yung inyong link. Please check.
Ma'am, saan din ma'am yung 1 or 2?
This one is 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Wait lang po muna.
Okay na po, ma'am. Binasa ko na po.
Okay. How about yung iba?
Nasa 4 na po ako.
Ma'am. Wait lang po ma'am. Wala. Ma'am, with unit of measurements, di ba ma'am?
Okay, done?
Wait lang po.
Yes.
Let's have Kahoot.
Ma'am, hindi ba po?
Kopyahin niya na.
Okay na ma'am.
Ma'am, wait lang po yung Kahoot. Hindi ko na-uninstall ko. Install ko ulit.
O, sige, wag na tayo mag-Kahoot. Kasi baka kulangin na talaga tayo ng oras.
No!
Yay!
Okay, let's have another one. Napasa niyo na ba?
Eh,
Okay, so if you have passed it, okay, let's go now to circle. Okay, syempre, kung meron tayong perimeter ng mga polygons, syempre kailangan sukatin din natin yung total distance around a circle.
Kala ko.
Okay, so ang tawag sa perimeter ng circle is circumference. Okay, so yun yung total distance around a circle. But let us try to find out, okay, the different terms regarding circle. Okay? Here are the different terms. What is circle? This one is a closed figure that consists of all points in a plane that are at a fixed distance from a given point. Okay, so example, ito yung circle. Ito, may point siya. Okay, and this one is, ang name ng point na to ay A. So, this can be named, ano kaya?
Circle A.
Tama. This can be named as circle A. Do you understand on how to name circles?
Yes.
Okay, so we can name the circle by the center point. Okay? Next. Finish copying. Let's have the second term, radius. Okay, what do you mean by radius?
Sun.
This one is also radii in plural form.
Red eye.
Okay, ibig sabihin maraming radius. This one is a fixed distance between a point in a plane and the center. Okay, example, kalahati lang yan. Yan yung radius. Ito lang.
Circle
From
B.
this one, okay, tuturo ko sa inyo. From this one, ito yon yung point, papunta lang dito. Okay? Ito ang ating radius. From this center point, papunta dito. Ito yung radius natin. Naintindihan niyo ba? Ha?
Yes.
Ayan, iba't ibang radius. Laging from the center point, papunta doon sa point doon sa end ng circle. So these are the different radius. Do you understand? Ha?
Yes.
At pare-pareho ang sukat niyan. Kung halimbawa ito ay 5 centimeters, kung halimbawa ito 5 centimeters, lahat yan 5 centimeters. Okay? Understood? So
Yes.
can you try to name the radius here?
B. Radius BAC.
AC.
Tama, very good. Radius, okay. Line segment AC. Okay, another radius.
Radius
Radius
BA.
BA.
Okay, line segment BA or line segment AB. Any questions?
None.
No, I think.
Okay, if there's none, let's check the next one. Let's have the center. Okay, this one is the given point in the middle of a circle. Okay? Example. Asan dito ang middle point again?
A.
Yellow dot.
Okay, point A. Okay, so the center is point A. So that's how you're going to answer. What is the center of this circle? It is point
A.
Understood?
Yes.
How about diameter? What do you mean by diameter?
The line between one side of the circle to another.
Okay, so this one is the distance from one endpoint of the circle to another passing through the center. Okay, kailangan mag-pass dun sa center, ha? Okay, example, you have this one. You have here the diameter BC or CB. Kailangan yung isang buo. Okay, marami ditong diameter. Basta nagpapass doon sa center. It can be here. It can also be here. So lahat ng diameter niyan may fixed distance din. So if this one is 10 cm, what could be the line? What could be the distance of segment BC?
10 cm.
10 cm din. Do you understand? Ha?
Yes.
So pare-pareho sila dapat. Kundi hindi yan magiging circle. Baku-bakong circle yan. Okay, next. We have the circumference. Now, this one is what we call the perimeter of the circle. Okay, distance from around the circle or the perimeter of the circle. Okay, so we have a formula in order to get the circumference. Okay, so ito kunyari yung circle nyo. Paano nyo kaya makukuha yung distansya around this one? Eh, hindi naman siya naka-line segment. Ang may line segment lang ay itong mga diameter tsaka yung radius. Okay? How are you going to get that? If the diameter is given, okay, our formula will be pi d. Okay, this one is pi.
Yes.
This one is diameter.
Ma'am, memorize namin yung pi?
Yes.
Ha?
Sobrang haba nun, hindi naman lang.
Okay.
Okay, if the radius is given, kung ang radius naman ang binigay ko, what you need to do is multiply the radius twice. Kasi di ba dalawang beses ng radius ang diameter?
Yes.
Okay, and then that's the time, after you have multiplied the radius twice, that's the time you can multiply it to 5.
Hindi ko gets.
Okay? So, pag na-multiply nyo na ng dalawang beses yung radius, saka nyo siya i-multiply sa pi. Do you understand? And para lang mabilis matandaan yung formula, kaya naging 2 pi r.
Hindi ko
Do you understand?
Mama naman yung pi.
Anong pi?
Mamaya, huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi ito kinakain.
Mahirap
Okay,
ba to,
so-
ma'am?
Hindi.
Ha? Mahirap lutuin. Joke. Okay? So, this one are the formula muna. Okay? Ano nga ba yung pi? Okay?
May point,
Bakit kayo nagtatanong ng
alam
pi?
ko.
O sige, ang pi kasi, okay, kahit kailan di yun nagbabago. Kaya ginawa na siya ng symbol. Kasi hindi naman nagbabago yung kanyang value. Constant siya lagi. Okay, so this one is the pi. Okay, this one is the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter. Ano ibig sabihin ng ratio? Di ba i-divide mo? Okay, so a pi is equal to circumference over the diameter. Okay, so kuha nga kayo ng any circle objects diyan sa inyong bahay. Sige na. Any circle objects diyan sa inyong bahay. And let us try to get the pi.
Oh. Kahit okay lang, ma'am, kahit maliit lang.
Takip ng ice cream, mga takip. Kahit maliit lang, kahit malaki, okay lang. Okay, so kunyari, ayan. Okay, I have also here the keepers of the of a container. Okay, so sukatin nyo yung diameter. Sukatin nyo muna yung diameter. Tingnan nyo nga.
Alam mo, sobrang liit eh.
Sukatin nyo yung diameter.
Ano?
Sukatin nyo yung diameter ng circle nyo. Kunyari, ito yung circle. Ito, sukatin nyo yung diameter.
20 inches.
Ha? Sukatin nyo. Sige, sukatin nyo ng kamay nyo. Kung maliit, sukatin nyo ng daliri ninyo.
2 inches.
Sukatin nyo ng daliri nyo. Ilan?
2
Ilan ang daliri
inches.
nyo? Ha?
Ma'am, ito lang. Hanggang dito lang sa second
O,
line.
hanggang dyan lang. Okay, ngayon, ipalibot nyo around dito sa taas. Ipalibot nyo around. Ilang fingers nyo yung mabubuo nyo?
Ganon pa rin.
Around the circle.
Ma'am,
Wala-
dalawang daliri. Index finger.
Ilan?
Ang dalawang daliri, ma'am. Dalawang
Dalawang
daliri po.
index
Dalawang daliri o almost 4, 'di ba? Pero hindi umabot sa 4,
Hindi po, ma'am.
'di ba? So you have 3. Okay? So, kunyari, ito, this one. Okay, so ito ay, look at me. So ito ay hanggang dito lang. Hanggang dito ko lang, ito. So ilalagay ko around here, 1, so circle ko dito, 2, and then 3. Tapos may kaunti pa.
Okay.
May kaunti
Pag
pa.
ganun pala.
And that is the value of the pi.
Yung
Kahit gaano kalaki pa yung circle nyo, okay, kahit gaano kalaki pa yung circle ninyo, alam niyo ba? O gaano kaliit, laging pareho yung value niya. And the value is always 3.14, walang katapusan. Remember our repeating decimal?
Yes.
Okay, this decimal is infinite.
3.14 lang alam.
Okay, and we rounded this off to 3.14. Okay, kaya kung titingnan ninyo, yung circumference ay yung pi ng inyong circle ay 3 beses ng daliri ninyo plus may kaunti. Okay, and that is 3.14.
Point na
So,
sobrang
constant siya kahit iba-iba pa yung mga circle ninyo. Laging 3 beses siya ng diameter at 0.14. Do you understand?
Yes!
Yes.
Hindi masyado.
Kaya ang formula ng pi ay circumference divided by the diameter.
Kasali to sa exam, ma'am.
Ha?
Kasali sa exam.
Oo, syempre.
Ang hirap ng pi, hindi ko mag-gets.
Huwag ka nang matakot sa pi. In-explain ko lang naman yung bakit naging 3.14 yan. Okay? Let's now go to some examples.
Ma'am, paano mo
Have the circumference of the circle with a diameter of 21 units. Okay, so ano yung given natin? Diameter. Ano yung binigay kong formula again?
Si
Paano
pi,
yung makakuha ng circumference?
circumference divided by diameter.
Ha?
Hindi ko na-gets.
Circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Okay, sige, multiply nyo nga.
blah blah
14
blah blah.
times 21 units. O,
Ay,
ilan?
ulit. Wala.
Circumference times 21 units. Ilan?
Ma'am, paano mo nagawa yung pi?
Paano nagawa? Eh, syempre, yung mga mathematicians natin, na-discover nila na ang diameter pala 3 beses lagi nung around doon at hindi nagbabago.
65.94.
Ha?
65.94.
94.
Okay, very good. So you just multiply the pi times the diameter. Okay? Do you understand? So that's
Yes.
our formula kapag diameter ang given. Paano naman kung radius ang given?
Hindi ko na.
Okay? So this one is the radius, 4.3. So ano yung formula natin pag radius ang given? Do you still remember? It is 2 pi r. Tatandaan nyo, si radius kasi dalawang beses ni diameter. Okay? Kaya kung si diameter, pi d lang. Pero, radius ang given. So, multiply nyo muna ng 2 beses si radius. Okay? So, 2 times 3.14 times 4.3 centimeters. Okay, hindi ko na nalagay dito yung centimeters. O, sige, what is our product?
27.004.
Okay, so, tama, 27.004 centimeters.
Yun lang yun.
Lahat ba kayo pare-pareho?
Ano yun, ma'am?
Yes,
Yun lang yun.
centimeter ng circle.
Hindi pala mahirap.
No, pala mahirap siya.
Hindi naman
Kala
talaga
ko.
mahirap. Madali lang talaga. Bakit? Nahirapan ba kayo?
Kanina, ma'am, di ko
Yes,
nag-gets.
ma'am.
Hindi makaprehend.
Okay.
Sa area kayo mahirap. Mahirap na sa area.
Okay, Jiren. Okay, let's have this one. Carl wanted to frame a picture of him and his sister. The picture has a diameter of 9 inches. He has 3 choices for the frame. Frame A, that has a circumference of 15 inches. Frame B has a circumference of 24 inches. And frame C has a circumference of 30 inches. Saan kaya susukat itong picture ni Carl? So what are you going to do? Chat to me the answer.
Ma'am, kung anong frame, ma'am?
Yes, kung kaninong frame siya.
Hindi ko gets kaya hindi
Sakto.
ako mag-chat.
Wala na lang.
What is given?
The diameter.
Diameter.
Okay, so the
Formula.
diameter, what is the formula?
Diameter
3
times.
times.
Ha? Yun lang yun?
Oo, yun lang.
Times
Kaya
ano,
mo
Hans?
lahat ng 15, 24, 30.
Diameter times ano?
5.
Ay.
Ano yung diameter?
Ay, nako. Hindi kasi nagbabasa. Andiyan na lahat, kakagatin ka na.
Tapos ano pagkatapos nun? Yun na yun? Oh,
Yun lang yun. Pero pag radius yung binigay,
may
i-times
2.
mo na. I-times 2 mo yung radius and then times 3.14. Ganun lang.
Okay. Oh my God.
Sa perimeter, i-add mo lang lahat.
Okay, tama, Mallorca. Da?
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Emilia, piano, Rubite. So, how did you get the circumference for this picture frame? For this picture muna. You have pi d. So, 3.14 times 9 inches. Diba? 3.14 times 9.
28.26. Estimated.
28.26 inches. Okay, kanino kakasya yon? Kay 15 ba?
30.
Hindi.
30.
24 ba? Hindi rin.
Hindi.
30.
Kay 30 siya kakasya. So, ang answer is frame C.
Wait lang din.
Oh.
Check niyo maigi kung ano yung tanong ko, ha?
Ang sinagot ko lang 28.10.
O, di mali ka na. Hindi yan ang tanong ko eh. Okay, next. A 12-inch round cake was served at the birthday party. Find the circumference of the cake.
A 12-inch round cake.
Okay. Make sure you have the unit of measurement, ha?
I do not get it.
May unit of measurement dapat.
Mama, may unit measurement.
Pwede kung inches ba siya?
Okay.
Meters. Okay, dapat ng grade 5 na pag-aralan nyo na yung unit of measurement.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha?
Ay,
Pag-aralan nyo na ba
Hindi ko
yan?
nalagay.
Ko rin nalagay sa una, ma. Okay.
Okay, so, mga tumama,
Ay, ba't nalagay ko sa ano?
Everyone mo nilagay.
Vanilla, Rubite, aba, very good to mga to ha, Mallorca, Ojales, Olaguer. Dapat may unit of measurement. Pag walang unit of measurement, hindi ko kokorekan. Okay? So, this 112-inch is the diameter. So, 3.14 times the diameter of 12 inches. So, ilan? It is
37.68.
Okay, 37.68 inches. Any questions? Ang dali lang ba? Ha?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, how about this one?
Find the circumference in meters per line.
Okay, remember, okay, that centimeters to meters is equal to 100. 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. So what are you going to do? Compute nyo muna kung ilang meters yung lighthouse na yan.
Done.
Jerry, ba't wala akong ano? Okay? Let me check. Hala. Hala, hala.
Ay, ala, nakalimutan ko yung...
Hala, hala, hala.
Isulat ko ulit, ma'am. Nakalimutan ko.
Nilagay ko na yung unit of measurement. Hindi ko alam kung tama lang ako.
Nakalimutan ko yung unit of measurement.
Mama na yung
Wala, nakalimutan niyo ang unit of measurement. Kailangan ko ba ituro ulit yun?
Hindi, ma'am. Nakalimutan ko yung...
Ma'am, nakalimutan lang ilagay, ma'am. Hindi po. Wag na po ituro yun, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what is our answer?
235.
Okay, 235.5. Bakit?
Kasi ma'am, ginawa yung
convert
7,000.
muna natin to.
7,500 divided by 100 cm.
Divided by 100.
75.
75. 3.14 times 75.
Okay, so 75 meters yan. Times,
3.14.
14.
okay, that's why you get 235.5.
Iba sa akin, ma'am.
Akin din,
ma'am. Iba po yung
ginagawa.
Iba yung solution, ma'am.
Iba lang yung solution, pero
How about this one?
Find the perimeter of the carousel.
Now, this one is a radius. Okay? So, radius naman to, ha?
Ay, yan yung ayaw.
Ibig sabihin, kalahati lang to ng diameter. What is our formula for radius? Okay. Bibilis sumagot, ah. Mallorca, Bonilla, Orjales, Kakdak, Rubite, Punzalan, Biñas, Piano. Okay, very good. Dami ng points sa recitation ng mga to, ah. Okay, so we have 21.98. Okay, how did you get it? So the formula, kapag ang given ay radius is 2,
2 times 3. Ay, ano? 3,
so 2 times
3.14
3.14
times 3.5.
3.5 meters, you get 21.98.
Kalimutan ko yung 2. Kami!
Hey.
Okay?
Hey.
How about this one?
The
The
length.
length of a perfectly sliced pizza is 7.5 inches. What is the circumference of the pizza from which it came from?
What?
Okay? Yung length daw ng sliced pizza is 7.5 inches. Okay, find out. The
Okay.
circumference of the pizza. So just analyze it.
Saan naman tama ako?
Let me check.
Ay, ano ba yun? Ito na naman tayo. Kalimutan ko na naman ilagay.
Ano ba ang given dito?
Mali ako. Mali mo?
Ang nakatama lang ay si Mallorca
Yay!
and Ponsalan.
Yay! Yay!
Analyze yung maigi ang problem. Ano ba ang given ko dito? Diameter ba o radius? Okay, ang sliced pizza, ganito itsura, di ba? Ganyan itsura ng sliced pizza.
Yan.
Okay? So, kung ganyan lang ang sliced pizza, what is this?
Radius.
Tama. This one is radius.
Ano nilagay ko
Okay,
na
kasi yung totoong circle niya ay pag ganyan. Kaya radius siya. Okay, so what will be your formula?
2 times
2
3.14.
R.
Times 3.14 times 7.5.
Times 7.5
46.
Okay? So
47.
that's why you get ilan?
47.1. Yes.
Okay, 47.1 inches.
Oh.
Okay, any questions? Naintindihan niyo na kung bakit dapat 47.1?
Yes.
Yes.
Akala.
Miss, tama sana ako, miss. Pero akala ko yung nabasa ko 3.5.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, how about this one? A garden sprinkler was observed to rotate and provide water to the grass around it. If the sprinkler can reach 2.5 meters in all, what is the circumference of the circular path that the sprinkler reaches? Okay, analyze again if it's a diameter or radius.
Ay, ano, mali.
Okay, Ponsalan, tama. Tamayo, Cruz, Bonilla, Rubite, okay, Piano. Okay, so ito yung mga tumama. Okay, ito daw yung garden sprinkler. Ganito yung tsura nun eh. Parang sun na nakalitaw dyan. Okay?
Mali ako.
Tapos, the sprinkler can reach 2.5 meters in all directions. So, umiikot daw yan.
Okay.
So, that is the radius. Okay? So, what will be our formula again? 2 pi r.
2 times
Okay, so ang gagamitin natin na formula ay 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.14
3.14 times
times
2.5.
2.5.
Yes, tama.
So, ang sagot natin ay 15.7 meters. Okay?
Tama ako,
Naintindihan ba?
ma'am. Pero mali yung ano.
Madali ba?
Yes. Yung unit of measure ng
Okay, now let's have an exercise. Ay, GRR. O sige, bonus na yan. How did I get 12.19? Okay, so kung si circumference ang given dito, how are we going to find the diameter?
Oh, it's
Ano?
Ma'am, i-shoot din, ma'am.
Remember, pi d yan, diba? Pi
Pi.
d ang ating formula.
Miss, i-shoot sa'yo.
So, hindi, teka, magte-test tayo. You're going to have a seat work. So, take a picture of this one. Okay, so kung ang hinahanap natin ay si diameter at ang given ay si circumference, okay, so we have here 81 cm is equal to 3.14 times d. Okay, how are we going to isolate d? How are we going to isolate d? Paano natin tatanggalin si 3.14?
Divide.
Tama, kasi multiplication ang involved dito. So, we need to divide this one. Dito rin sa kabila, you also need to divide. Okay, kaya ito magka-cancel na, and natira na lang ay si diameter. So, 81 divided by 3.14. 81 divided by 3.14, ilan? It is
25.8.
25.8 centimeters. Okay? Now that you have that, okay, paano naman natin nakuha si radius? Okay, so you just need to divide the radius, okay, the diameter by 2. And yun ang makukuha niya sa radius.
Oh.
Now, what if the given is radius? How are you going to get the diameter?
Multiply by 2.
Tama, you just need to multiply it by 2, the other way around. Okay?
Yes,
And then, how are you going to get the circumference if you already have the diameter? It's just pi d.
ID.
Okay, so copy this one, and then I'm going to give it to you on Edmodo. I'm going to give you a link on Edmodo so that you can take a photo, and then I'm going to check.
Ma'am,
No. That will be your assignment. Kasi wala na tayong time. And also answer your book. Okay? I'm going to give you the page of the book on Edmodo as well.
ma'am, pipicturean ma'am sa notebook or text response po?
Pipicturean nyo.
Okay po.
Okay?
Ma'am, pwede ma'am pabura po ng mga... Okay.
May question pa ba kayo about perimeter of polygons and circumference of a circle?
No.
So we have 2 topics today. Perimeter and circumference.
Yay! Ma'am, bukas ma'am, area na ma'am.
Yes.
Yay!
Bakit bukas, ma'am?
Ay, sa Friday yun. Sa Friday.
No! Area!
No.
Wag na yung N. Ang hirap nun eh.
Okay.
Multiply mo lahat.
Area 1.
Area 51 kasi sa
Area 1, Area 2.
Ano, dun sa bayan? Okay. May question pa ba kayo? Ha? Okay. Paano nga pala kung kalahati yung circle? Halimbawa ganito. O, di ba? Marunong na kayo ng perimeter niyan. Paano kung may papaganon? Kakalahatiin nyo lang yung circumference. Halimbawa, ito, 66 feet. Siyempre, yung bilog niyan, di ba, pag ganyan. Pag kinalahati nyo yung 66 feet na circumference, ilan?
33 feet.
O, divided by 2 lang.
33.
Okay?
Okay.
Understand? Okay. So, can you answer? Dun din sa book, meron kayong get your books.
Get your book.
Answer page 302, letter A.
What? 302?
302, letter A. And 303. 303.
302? Letter A. Sa 303, ma'am, B po naman.
Letter A.
Sa 303, ma'am?
Oo, pareho sila. 302 letter A, 303 letter A din. Okay? And then, i-checkan natin on Friday.
Ma'am, pag madami ma'am na decimals, round off lang ma'am sa 2 decimal places.
Yes, you need to
Ma'am?
round it to 2 decimal places.
I-check po natin, hindi po ipapasa yung sa book.
Sa book, gusto niyo ba ipasa niyo na lang?
Opo.
Yeah, take a photo of it and then I'm going to give you a link on Edmodo 2. Okay? No more questions about perimeter and circumference?
None.
Okay, very good. So goodbye, class.